In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the visual appeal of your project by adjusting the margins and padding settings in a layout or design software. This may seem like a small detail, but these adjustments can significantly impact the overall look and flow of your project, making it more professional and polished. Let's begin by opening your design software and selecting the strip you want to modify. This is the foundational step, as selecting the correct strip ensures that any adjustments you make will apply to the right section of your layout. Strips are the building blocks of many design projects, and making changes to them can alter how content is presented. Once the strip is selected, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the toolbar that typically appears at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find options to refine your design. Next, let's focus on the Layout or Design tab. Click on this tab to reveal various tools and options dedicated to customizing your project. It's within this section that you'll find the ability to adjust margins and padding, which are crucial for creating the right amount of space around your content. These settings can prevent your design from looking cluttered or too sparse, so it's essential to find a balance that suits your aesthetic. Once you're in the Layout or Design tab, look for the settings that relate specifically to margins and padding. This is where you'll make most of your adjustments. Margins control the space outside of your strip, essentially defining the outer boundary of your content. Properly setting your margins can help ensure that your content is not too close to the edge and is spaced out appropriately. In contrast, padding refers to the internal spacing within the strip between the border and the content itself. Adjusting padding can help you achieve a more visually pleasing layout by giving your content room to breathe. It keeps your design from feeling too cramped and can also assist in lining up elements more evenly within the strip. When making these adjustments, pay attention to how your composition changes as you increase or decrease these values. Testing various settings is essential in finding the optimal look for your project. Many design software options provide a live preview, which allows you to see changes instantly. This real-time feedback is incredibly useful for fine-tuning the details of your design. As you become more comfortable adjusting margins and padding, you'll notice how these changes can affect the hierarchy and emphasis of different elements within your design. It's a powerful tool in your design arsenal, so take some time to experiment and discover the best configuration that aligns with your project goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these instructions helpful and feel more confident in navigating margins and padding settings in your